Hello everyone. I am Uncle Tony. Today we are going to talk about what is a geomagnetic storm and what are its effects. A geomagnetic storm is a phenomenon where Earth's magnetic field experiences significant disturbance due to solar activity. The Sun releases large quantities of charged particles, such as during solar flares or coronal mass ejections, CMEs. When these particles interact with Earth's magnetosphere, they cause rapid fluctuations in Earth's magnetic field, leading to a geomagnetic storm. Geomagnetic storms typically occur during periods of heightened solar activity. The Sun undergoes an approximately 11-year activity cycle, and during the peak of this cycle, it emits more high-energy particles, increasing both the frequency and intensity of geomagnetic storms. Major effects of geomagnetic storms. Power systems. Intense geomagnetic storms can induce electric currents in power transmission lines, overloading electrical grids or damaging equipment. There have been instances in history where geomagnetic storms caused large-scale blackouts, particularly in high-latitude regions. Satellites and communication systems. Geomagnetic storms disrupt satellite operations, causing signal loss or malfunctions. They can also interfere with radio waves, affecting navigation systems like GPS and high-frequency radio communication. This interference can have serious consequences in industries like aviation and maritime navigation, which heavily rely on satellite guidance. Aurora phenomenon. Geomagnetic storms enhance the brightness and range of auroras. Typically, auroras are only visible in high-latitude regions, such as near the poles, but during intense geomagnetic storms, auroras can be seen at mid or even low latitudes. This stunning natural phenomenon attracts the attention of many scientists and aurora enthusiasts. Monitoring and early warning of geomagnetic storms. The strength of a geomagnetic storm is measured using the KP index, which ranges from 0 to 9, with higher values indicating stronger storms. Today, scientists can monitor solar activity, particularly solar flares and coronal mass ejections, to predict when a geomagnetic storm is likely to occur. This allows for early warnings to be issued for satellites, communication systems, and power grids. In conclusion, geomagnetic storms are significant natural events with widespread effects on human technology and daily life. Understanding and monitoring them is crucial for modern society. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Got questions or ideas for future topics? Drop them in the comments, I'd love to hear from you. I am Uncle Tony. See you later.